Oh! Damn, Bex! Damn, boy!
We're stoked to have Kaz Sawyer down with us. We're stoked to have Kaz Sawyer down filming with us for the next couple of weeks. He's about to tell the guys about an awesome idea he's got to put up a swing. Is that what it is?
Yeah, it's a swing.
A swing in the middle of the ocean.
So I'm thinking we can get everyone together, get their opinion, because I do not know how to build this. But if we find a sandbar, the idea is we're going to build the posts up, have the swing out there, and then when high tide comes, it's just going to be a swing with a bunch of water.
Nice.
So I was thinking we could build a swing out in the ocean, but we need a lot of wood, and I do not know how we're going to do this. So I don't know if you guys have any ideas, but I'm thinking we could get like a huge 15-foot pole here, 15-foot pole here, and then like another pole going across, and then we do it out on the sandbar on low tide.
That's something different right there. Yeah, I like the idea.
Yeah?
Now you got to think about how we could put it together so it can stand and hold.
Yeah, that's not going to be easy.
We can make it happen for sure.
We can make it happen. Someone might get hurt in the process, but
that's what we're hoping for.
That's the best way.
We'd have to drill them together and then just dig it down.
Stephen can't get on it, it.
We got tons of wood.
And there's probably like a scrapyard.
That can be very sketchy. I can tell.
I like to hear it. I like to hear it.
And montage.
Like a
Yep.
that'll stay up.
That's the goal, that'll stay up, and then if it doesn't work, then a worst case scenario is we could do the A-frame that Megan kind of was saying. But if we can get away with doing it that way first, then great, and then if not, then we can just A-frame it. 12 foot would be good.
That's 2 foot then in the water.
Yeah. You remind me of, it starts with the W, his name one more time.
Whack.
Whack. it's actually bad. Like, I'm trying to work on getting better with names.
Kaz, what's my name?
Dude, just stop, bro. Stop. Whack, dude.
Yeah, that's
it.
It's Will, by the way.
This is gonna be nice. Can't wait to actually get on the beach and start doing shit. Yeah, boy. You know, it's not all that heavy. I can carry it.
Yeah.
Wood. Construction.
See what we're using to build this. You don't think it'll
You
work?
can't put me on that.
Look. Super strong bond, extreme durability, and it's high performance.
How much weight could it take?
I don't think there's any limits.
Like a fucking chimney sweep.
Oh,
look at those, bro.
I can probably sell that, you know.
You probably could. You better censor that. Censor it. Feet Finder if you want to see the uncensored version. So we were scoping out where we want to build the swing. We got all the wood and everything. There's a sandbar out here, so we're gonna check it out and then hopefully come back today or tomorrow with a bunch of wood and start building it.
There's no sandbar here, I lied.
You knew that was going to be the case, didn't you?
I took the wood back to the store. Got my money back. This isn't happening.
We got some strong ass wood, so.
That's crazy to say that.
Oh no!
Pause.
Yeah, if we could the angle just needs to be like there's like nothing around. Yeah, that's the anchor right here. You got brought here just to make me look like an idiot, didn't you?
And I didn't have to try hard. That's the craziest thing, man. Yeah, we leave this.
Take him with us. Where's my super suit though?
Survive 1 week.
Just
on
give
the
me
sandbar.
one bottle of Gold Bombara and you can leave me. Oh, 2 Cokes too.
Run! Go!
Fit.
We're gonna swim that way though.
Why you?
This is gonna be really cool when we build this swing. I'm like genuinely excited, and that doesn't happen for all videos.
You extending your trip?
I already canceled my flight, so yeah.
Yeah, I think we're
Oh,
now.
that's what Turks Caicos does to you, bro.
I probably will whip it like once or twice. Hopefully I don't get hurt. If I do get hurt, I'm suing.
I think it's simple, but not easy. We will build it, but it's gonna be like trial and error and shit. But once we build it, it'll be good. Yeah, they will come 100%.
Bitches will come.
Yeah, we know.
Is that going to be the seat?
Then the seat will end up like somewhere right in here. Well, there's gonna have to be rope here. Yeah, rope here, rope here.
Wait, is it just gonna be these two posts holding it up?
For now.
Shout out Jessica. Jessica's my personal assistant, guys. I don't know if you know. Jessica, you need a favor?
Not yet.
Okay. I owe Jessica a favor. And I hoping she use it fast. If she drop a cup, I pick it up and ask if that counts. And she tell me. Everything look better when you looking through Gucci's. You see, I swear to God, you feel me? Yeah, I swear to God. What the f is that? That don't look like a drill. I think he got the drill, but look at it. Glock in my. Hey, the rule is Willow can't use power tools. That's the rule. Nobody never say no building advice. I just can't use power tools. Oh, that's what I know how to use. No power tools, but I know how to use the regular stuff.
Allegedly.
No, allegedly. How many week-to-week employees does it take to build a swing? Let's find
You
out.
haven't got enough.
No, we're his family.
Right.
Brothers work together.
Yeah, why not? Yeah.
You feel me?
Extended family, yeah.
No, we brothers. You can't see it. It's the shades. Hold on, I know it's the shades.
Oh, yeah, there it is. Yeah.
What if you go sit on it and it fall? What you gonna
That'd be
say in the
good.
video?
That'd be hilarious.
I'm trying to find the easiest way to do less, if you know what I mean.
Bro, I don't think that's a secret.
It's a secret now.
All I can say, it's gonna be very nice building this out in the water, because every 5 minutes we can just take a dive. Rip and sweat.
Hey, listen, that's all he do all day. Just scream and take out trash. Yeah, motherfucker!
Dude.
Think so?
Oh.
We're going to the sandbar right now. We got Kaz Sawyer right here. We're going to build a huge swing.
I wish I could have helped, but I can't swim, right? One wood.
Right, you going straight for it?
It's my new surfboard. So it's high tide right now. It's kind of nice being able to see how deep it's gonna get. So when we actually build it,
You got to do that to Brittany, bro.
it's kind of nice seeing how deep it's gonna get, and so that's why we're kind of testing it out at high tide. Obviously it's too high to actually build it, but now we know it's gonna be deep enough for us to be able to do flips off of it and stuff. So we're gonna come back tomorrow at low tide. That's when we'll dig it. It'll be dry sand, and then what's gonna happen is it'll be built when the tide gets high again. It's gonna look like this again, but this time the swing will be intact, and that's when we'll be able to do cool flips off of it into deep water, and we're really gonna get that like middle of the ocean feeling. So it should be sick. All right, we are on sandbars here. We have just the perfect amount of sand, so we're gonna get to digging, put the wood in as quickly as we can, because the tide is rising. If you look right over there, probably got like 30 minutes of time to get this thing built, so stoked right now. It's gonna be crazy. That's another thing I want to talk about. You can't make me look too stupid in this vlog.
Well, you're going to have to work a lot harder.
If you want to redo that, that's not going to look good.
So different.
Do you think I could get on someone's shoulders to get up there, or is that too sketchy? I'm scared, dude. Okay, don't mess with me, bro. No.
Dumb ways to die.
Sorry about that.
Oh! Damn, Vex! Damn, boy!
Why didn't you just put him down? Why do you fucking
film that?
just DDT'd him?
I'm good. My head hurts, but I'm good.
Tide's coming in. We're gonna drown.
I'm helping.
I'm helping.
I think the tide's been working against us.
You grateful for your team?
Not grateful for being thrown on my head, but other than that, yeah.
How are we going to take this back, Phil?
Are you kidding me? I'll just swim it to shore, no problem. No, all we need is deeper, but it's just the tide came up.
We can't leave it here.
No, can we take it
We
to
can-
the sand and hide it somewhere? We're in the middle of the ocean, swimming for our lives with a piece of fucking wood.
They're gonna drown. They're gonna swim the swing from the little sand island all the way over to shore. And then we're gonna try and set it up again because it was a disaster this time.
So we're gonna go out to the sandbar now. It's low tide, should be perfect. Trial and air, hopefully not a lot of trial and not too much air.
We're gonna go out there and hopefully Biggs doesn't slam his ass from being so annoyed by it. But yeah, let's go try this again.
Oh yeah, just me and Frankie. How do you feel about that? Oh no, I'm fucking dead, mate. Maybe you can revive him. Oh fuck. Tastes like fish. Oh. We have to guard this so people don't swing on this and make it fall. We're waiting for the tide to come in. Then we're gonna have our ocean swing that we've been working on this whole week. Pretty sick. Yeah. How long were we out there? Like,
No, that was.
jeez.
And you just let the time pass by like
Yeah,
that.
we let, yeah. People are like keeping us company and stuff. Yeah. It looks good now. The tide's coming up. It's pretty sick. I reckon we go dive in and just play on the swing.
Sick. That was
Yeah.
really, really cool, yeah. I got to swing on it. I did a couple pull-ups. I flexed.
My videos take a lot of time, but they're always worth it. So when you keep in my face, I don't know what to do anymore. So I just like. So sick. Yeah, we literally perfect. Spent the whole day building it and took it down. It's pretty fun. We were stranded, me and this guy right here.
Oh yeah.
We were stranded for like 4 hours or so, no food. It feels good to have it done now because it was like a week ago we started it. We started buying all the stuff. Then it's like we started building it. Then yesterday we came, didn't work. And then today we just got it all done.
Tell the people to like and subscribe.
Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe to Wake to Wake's video.
Hey.
Legends right here.
That's
you
it.
have to.
That's what we want
All
to
right,
hear.
all right, let's go.